Looking to uncover intriguing ways to earn with AI technology? From creating online courses to generating AI-powered content, numerous avenues promise financial gains. But what innovative methods truly stand out in this rapidly evolving landscape? In today's video, we're exploring cool ways to make money using AI. We'll check out 10 awesome ideas that use AI technology to help you earn cash. It's going to be fun discovering how AI can make money making easier and more exciting. Let's dive in and see what these clever AI ideas have in store for us. 1. Create online courses using AI. Creating online courses with AI tools like ChatGPT can be an amazing journey. Imagine sharing your knowledge globally, teaching new skills or explaining complex topics, all from your home. With AI's help, you can make courses that engage learners worldwide. Picture the joy of seeing your students excel using the knowledge you shared. It's not just about earning money. It's about leaving a legacy, guiding others, and joining a community eager to learn. This is more than business. It's about leaving an impression and spreading your passion while using AI's strength to teach beyond borders. 2. Generate AI-generated content. AI tools like GPT-3 have immense potential to change how we make content. Picture easily creating interesting articles or convincing emails that grab people's attention. It's like having a helpful partner, brainstorming ideas and turning them into words effortlessly. Think of the time saved, focusing more on creativity than the routine. Yet, it's not just practical. Using AI feels like teaming up with a genius, blending your ideas with AI's skills to create extraordinary things. It's amazing how tech boosts creativity, making content creation thrilling and inspiring, not just work. 3. Create ads with AI. Using platforms like creative.ai is akin to having a digital artist assisting in ad making. AI simplifies the whole process, making ad creation like teaming up with a creative partner. There's comfort in relying on this AI tool to swiftly make catchy ads and engaging social content. It's not just about speed. It's about the joy of seeing your ideas turn into reality effortlessly. These AI tools empower you, letting you craft compelling ads without the usual hassle, leaving time for strategy. It's like having a skilled assistant who gets your vision and helps bring it to life efficiently and creatively. 4. AI video generation. AI-powered video editing tools like Steve AI or Adobe feel like having a team of expert editors right at your fingertips. These tools simplify the complex process of video editing, providing relief by making it simple and efficient. It's like having a personal guide through video production, offering freedom to be creative without worrying about technical details. Using these tools is about more than just saving time. It's the satisfaction of seeing your video content come together smoothly and professionally. They act as companions, making video editing on platforms like YouTube more accessible and enjoyable for creators. 5. Freelancing with AI. Freelancing in AI development is like a vast landscape of opportunities where you craft your own path. You're not just working, you're choosing projects that excite you, making your schedule, and creating AI software. It's about independence and shaping your professional future. As a freelancer in AI, you enter a sought-after industry where your skills are in demand. It's like navigating a busy marketplace, offering your unique expertise to those seeking innovative solutions. This journey is more than earning a living. It's about building a career that perfectly matches your skills with the world's needs. 6. Affiliate marketing. AI tools help in analyzing data for affiliate marketing, making the whole process easier and better. They're like a helpful guide in the complex world of marketing, sorting through lots of data to find the important stuff. These tools are like a reliable friend, showing marketers what the data means and how to use it. They turn piles of data into plans that marketers can use to improve their work. It's like having a special tool that helps marketers make content and reach the right people better. With AI's help, marketers don't just figure out information, they also find patterns that help them make smarter choices. It's like having a great guide leading the way through the big digital world, making sure marketing is not just good, but also really works. 7. Consult on AI implementations. Consulting on AI implementations opens doors to a fulfilling and rewarding career path. It's akin to being a trusted advisor, helping businesses navigate the maze of AI technology. It's not just about expertise, but also about being a guiding hand, assisting companies in harnessing the power of AI to transform their operations. Imagine being the bridge between cutting-edge technology and practical applications, guiding businesses to make informed decisions that reshape their future. It's like being the problem solver in a complex puzzle, offering tailored AI solutions that unlock efficiency and innovation. Moreover, it's not just about the profit, it's about the satisfaction of seeing businesses thrive through your guidance and expertise in the ever-evolving world of AI. 8. AI-generated visuals. AI tools such as DALL-E and Stable Diffusion are like magic wands for creators, turning their ideas into stunning visuals with just a few instructions. It's like having an artistic genie in a bottle, where you provide the wishes, and these tools conjure up brilliant images. Think of it as having a virtual artist who can bring your descriptions to life in the form of captivating pictures. These tools simplify the image creation process, making it accessible even to those without prior design skills. It's like having a secret weapon in your creative arsenal, enabling you to craft eye-catching visuals that resonate with audiences. The thrill of seeing your thoughts materialize into beautiful images with the help of AI is nothing short of exhilarating, opening up endless possibilities for expressing creativity. 9. Become a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant powered by AI is like being a digital superhero, swooping in to rescue businesses from overwhelming tasks. It's a bit like being a wizard's apprentice, using the magic of AI tools to conjure up solutions for businesses. You're like the reliable right hand, supporting companies in managing their workload and processes using the wonders of technology. The feeling of being the go-to person for these modern solutions is quite empowering. It's like having your own virtual office where you can assist multiple clients, solve problems efficiently, and generate a stable income while enjoying the flexibility of remote work. The satisfaction of helping businesses thrive and witnessing the impact of AI on daily operations is incredibly fulfilling. 10. AI startups and entrepreneurship. Starting an AI startup is like stepping into a world of endless possibilities. It's a bit like being an explorer charting new territories in the tech landscape. You're at the forefront of innovation, crafting AI-powered solutions that simplify life for people. It's akin to being a problem solver, creating tools that make tasks easier and more efficient. The thrill of building something from scratch, seeing your ideas come to life, and making a positive impact on how people live and work is truly exhilarating. You're like a visionary, foreseeing how AI can transform industries and change the way we interact with technology. It's a journey full of challenges, but each hurdle conquered brings a sense of achievement, pushing you closer to your goals. And there you have it, 10 brilliant ways to harness the power of AI and turn it into a profitable venture. The potential of AI in reshaping industries and creating income streams is immense. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.